Okay, this is just a short video of how to add Maple TA to a Moodle DLE site at Plymouth University. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, turn editing on. Then we're going to add a section, and then we're going to add an activity resource. And all we want is external tool. Click on add. And then we go for pre-configured tool, go down to Mobius assessment, test assignment, put in the name, and then do save and return to course. And then obviously we turn the editing off. Test assignment. Okay, and then there's some more parameters I'm not going to go through. You can either assign a class or an assignment in these kind of parameters. The reason this is hidden under as an external tool is now this is using some special, more generic connection technology between Mobius, what used to be Maple TA, and the DLE. So now it's kind of hidden under the external tool. And okay, let's go back. Okay, so the Maple TA one's one I gave to Dominic. Click on the Maple TA. And you can see here I've got, it brings me to the Mobius, the Maple TA thing. And we can look at okay, so here's the various quizzes, and I think you can log in individual assignments. That's the way I think I used to do it. And then there's gradebook. Let's try class grade. Okay, interesting. Okay, so in here you've ended up with Maple TA, and okay, and then you can kind of so this is the kind of, well, I guess if you come in as a student, you see a slightly different interface. Okay, that's it. Hope this has been helpful.